Hey guys, welcome back. This is Out of the Box Reviews and today we're taking a look at this brand new OUMEIU portable mini box camera. In the past we have seen a couple of these cameras, but this brand new model comes with some upgrades that I find really useful. It comes in these small discreet packets with no writing on it. Inside you will find neatly arranged the camera along with some useful accessories. Two kinds of alligator clips, a USB charger cable, a pair of adjustable cords to hang your camera, and a very well written manual in English. The camera at first doesn't seem much different from the other box cameras we have seen in the past. The main difference is the mode selection switch that is located next to the on-off button, making it easier to select between photo and video mode. The body of the camera is very sturdy, all black in color and extremely lightweight, making it perfect for concealed use. To see how it works, we will need a microSD card. As far as I know, there is no capacity limit for the card, but I wouldn't go higher than 32GB. Make sure you have selected the desired mode and press the power button for about 5 seconds. A red indicator on the bottom of the camera will light up and the camera will enter standby mode. Press the power button again and the recording will begin. The camera will record in 3 minutes loop in 1920 HD at 30 frames per second. I wasn't blown away by the quality of the video, but for its price, it is very good. To take pictures, make sure to turn off the camera by long pressing the power button. Switch to photo mode and turn the camera on again. By pressing the power button, the camera will start taking multiple photos until you stop it by pressing the power button again. The quality of the photos taken is quite great and I prefer it to that of the video. I'm sure you have noticed that I haven't mentioned anything about night vision. The camera has an array of 6 infrared sensors that can help you record a decent night footage. The best part is that it's automated. As soon as the camera detects low levels of light, the sensors turn on by themselves, which is for a camera of this size pretty amazing. As soon as the light is enough, the sensors will turn off by themselves again. As expected, the infrared lights consume quite a bit of battery life, so be aware of that. One other thing to mention is that the audio quality is the best I have heard so far, making the camera ideal for surveillance. Let's see a small sample of the video quality. In conclusion, this is a very interesting camera, really well made and definitely worth its price. Links for the camera are available in the description. If you enjoyed the video, remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up. This was Out of the Box Reviews. Post your comments and questions down below and stay tuned for more upcoming video reviews. And as always, thanks for watching.